Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You'll begin by opening the invoice template or a blank Google Sheet and importing essential data. Paste client info, invoice number, dates, and default payment terms into the header so fields auto-populate. Next, set up columns for description, quantity, unit price, tax percent, and line total. Use simple formulas now: quantity multiplied by unit price, then add tax. This prevents manual errors. Once done, name the sheet and save a copy for this client to reuse. Now construct the core calculations in clean layout. Enter formulas for line item totals, then calculate subtotal, tax, discounts, and grand total with separate cells to track each element. Make values readable. Set currency formatting, fix 2 decimals, and freeze the header row for scrolling. Use data validation dropdowns for tax codes or item lists and conditional formatting to highlight overdue invoices. Finally, protect cells with formulas so accidental edits. Finish by reviewing totals and recipient details, then export the invoice as PDF or share a view-only link. Make sure payment instructions and contact info are clear. Before sending, test the PDF preview and confirm formulas recalc when quantities change. If numbers look wrong, check common issues: accidental text in numeric cells, shifted ranges from row insertions, or disabled iterative calculation. Unprotect formula cells and correct references. Once resolved, send and mark the invoice.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.